Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that Siri or Hey Siri not working on their iPhone after updated to the iOS 18. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Change Siri's response to spoken responses. First, open up Settings, find and tap on Siri. Next, tap on Siri responses. Ensure prefer spoken responses is enabled. Solution 2. Ensure location services are enabled. Head to Settings on your iPhone. Select Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services and ensure they are enabled. Solution 3. Retrain Siri. Navigate to Settings, tap on Siri, choose Talk to Siri under Siri Request, turn off Siri, choose either Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 4. Check for a software update. For that, go to Settings app, next find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.